Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix print screen not working in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first method that you can do is try to press Fn and print screen key together in your keyboard and check if your problem has been fixed. Check if it's working. Again, you can see your Fn key beside your control keys, Fn key, and you can also see your print screen key aligning your function keys. Try to press Fn key and print screen key together in your physical or built-in keyboard and check if it's working. However, if not, then try to press Alt key and print screen key together and check if it's working. Okay. Fn key and print screen key and check if it's working. If not, go with Alt key and print screen key together and check if it's working. However, if not, try to press Fn key, Alt key, and print screen key together and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to move on to our second method, which is here at the start icon. Please do a right click. Okay. Scroll up and then go with your device manager. Tap on it and wait until a new window would appear, which is your device manager. Once it's here, you need to look for an option called keyboard. So look for it. Once you have find it, please select it and click this forward arrow and select your keyboard driver. Please do a right click and go with update driver. So it will opt you to choose two options. Proceed with browse my computer for drivers to locate and install a driver manually, and proceed with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Now click on it, and here you need to select the available driver that is compatible to your computer and click on next and wait until it will be installed here in your Windows. Once done, check if your print screen key is now working. However, if not, then we need to move on to our third method. Our third method would be at the start icon again. Please do a right click, and this time you need to go with Task Manager. So open your Task Manager, and once you have opened it, proceed with Details. Okay, and under the Details tab, you need to expand it, and you need to look for this four details, and the very first is OneDrive. To select any of the details, type O in your keyboard, and by that you would be redirected to the details starting with letter O, where here you need to go with OneDrive. Please do a right click and click on End Task. The moment you have ended it, proceed by looking for Dropbox. Okay, so select any of the details and type D and look for Dropbox. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, try to do the same, and that is to end task and end task all details that is related to Dropbox. Again, end all task details related to Dropbox. Once done, proceed by looking for Snipping Tool or Screensketch. So select any of this and then type S and look for it, which is screen sketched or snipping tool. Okay, so just have to look for it and do the same, and that is to end task. Okay, and once you have ended it, you need to close this window. Okay, and please proceed at the taskbar where you can see there a cloud icon which contains your OneDrive. That tap on it, and this would appear where here you need to click this gear icon to see help and settings and go with settings itself. Once you are being redirected to the settings, please proceed with sync and backup and go with save screenshots I captured to OneDrive. Try to turn it on and off. Once you have turned it off, close this window and try to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.